Welcome. I'd like to take a look at an example of identifying asymptotes and locations of holes again. And in this case, we're going to plot them once we have identified them. So similar to what we did last time, I'm going to cancel out common factors. Since I completely removed the factor of x minus 1, we cannot have x equal to 1 in order for this expression and this expression to be equivalent to one another. For the horizontal asymptote, we look at the degree of the polynomials in the numerator and denominator. We notice they have a matching degree, so the horizontal asymptote is given by the ratio of the leading coefficients. So y equals 3/2 is our horizontal asymptote. And again, I observed that by comparing the degrees of the two polynomials. For vertical asymptotes, those result from factors that remain in the denominator after simplification. So I have a factor of 2x plus 3, and I get a vertical asymptote when that is equal to 0. And I have a factor of x plus 3, which gives a vertical asymptote when that is equal to 0. For this factor, I can subtract 3 to get 2x is equal to negative 3, divide by 2 to get x is equal to negative 3/2 as our horizontal asymptote. Subtract 3 over here to find x is equal to negative 3 as our vertical asymptote. Excellent. Horizontal asymptote here, and holes. That's the only thing that I'm interested in at this point. So for our holes, we want to consider when x is equal to 1, we would find a y value of, we plug it into that simplified version. So I'm going to find a y value of 3 times 1 minus 1, 1 plus 2, 2 times 1 plus 3, and 1 plus 3. 3 minus 1 is 2, 1 plus 2 is 3, 2 times 3 is 6. 2 plus 3 is 5. 1 plus 3 is 4. 5 times 4 is 20, and we can simplify that to 3/10. So we get the whole at 1, 3/10. And I would like to plot each of these things now. So I have a horizontal asymptote of 3/2. 1 and 2, 3/2 is here. So I have a horizontal asymptote of y, y equals 3/2. I have two vertical asymptotes, x equals negative 3/2 and x equals negative 3. Negative 3/2, negative 3/2 and negative 3. X equals negative 3, x equals negative 3/2. And then I just want to plot the whole. The whole occurs at 1, 3/10. 1, 3/10 is around there. So now I have each of the things plotted and labeled, so that way it is clear what I have done.